everyone, welcome. It's Jill Foster here for Penny Black, and I'm popping in with another video, a third video sharing Penny Black's newest release, and it's all about Whimsy. This is video 3 in a set of 5. So if you've missed the first ones, be sure that you don't miss out on them. Go back and watch so you hear about this entire collection. And today I'm sharing with you the Whimsy themed new products and lots of card ideas from Penny Black. And be sure to stay tuned at the end of the video, as they'll have a little more information in case you missed it about a free PDF download, which puts all of this inspiration and the products used on everything in one place for you. So let's talk about the sentiment theme of Whimsy and everything that we have for that. First, we'll take a look at the sentiment set. So let me grab mine here. So mine is well loved, and we do have the cutout dies available for purchase, which make these even more versatile. So I am going to just pop this up here and read them to you, because mine are kind of, well, they've been used a lot and they aren't lined up perfectly to see. So, wishing you a birthday filled with magic, laughter, and a sprinkle of whimsy. Whimsy is the spark that lights up the soul. Here's to a birthday wrapped in whimsy, topped with endless smiles. Life is better when you add a little whimsy to your every step. Never lose your sense of whimsy, it's part of your magic. Celebrate today with a heart full of whimsy and a cake full of frosting. Whimsy like yours makes the world a lot brighter. So as you can see, these can definitely be used for birthday for lots of different recipients. And I love that it's a unique sentiment for a birthday card. We all make a lot of birthday cards, and I love that these just add something a little special and unique to them. But these also can be really nice for encouragement or everyday thinking of you cards, or just because cards. Things like whimsy like yours makes the world a lot brighter. That's even a nice thank you card after you've been with someone. Never lose your sense of whimsy, it's part of your magic. That's really nice for encouragement. So definitely birthday, but still lots of other things that you can use with this. And like the other themes of adventure and resilience, just something special, something unique. So let me grab the die cuts that go with this too. Let's see here. Okay. So like the other adventure and resilience, we have the edger die cuts and also the words that come with that. So thank you for your patience with me as I'm pulling these all out. This sort of live, just me chatting with you video is new for me. So thank you for being patient with me as I do this. I'd love to know, do you enjoy videos like this, sort of unboxing and sharing videos? Leave us a comment below. We appreciate all of your kind words and support and feedback. So just wanted to mention that too. So back to this die cut. It comes with, you're going to get this word, whimsy, of course. You're also going to get this block letter word whimsy, but please note, and I love this about this die cut, the size is awesome. You get a different size than you have here, and it's all one piece, so it's very easy to use. Then this part of the edger die, if you haven't seen these before, you can put this anywhere on a standard size card, meaning 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches, and cut this edge. And what's so great about this edge, so let me just show you here. This is a standard size card panel. You can cut that edge, and then your sentiment, the script one, will fit right up into that edge. And there are lots of different designs that you can do with this. So it's really gonna just kind of make your card for you. This would be so cute with a little critter peeking out, especially with the word whimsy. I really like to use these cut at about this level, and then you can add that word. And it's really great for building a scene, because this is like your automatic grounding place to tuck and put different elements. And now this does not fit with the edger, obviously, but it is so great. This is a standard size card panel. Look how nicely that fits on there. Leaves you lots of room to do other things, but it fits within like a stitched, if you like stitching dies, it will fit within most of those. Fits within all of our penny black stitched frame dies. So really nice. Again, you can also use this to sort of ground a critter or an image and put it on top of there. One other thing, I've mentioned in the other videos and I'll mention again, if you like making 5x7 cards, this is a wonderful size. So let me just grab, this is a 5x7 card panel. This die cut works really nicely on a 5x7. So it's kind of a twofer, that one is. Let me clear off my desk and I will bring out the critters. Okay, I probably should have said I will bring out the critter stamp. Anyways, here is this Whimsy stamp set, 31/239. And look how full this is with wonderful, wonderful, cute, classic penny black critters. So great for that birthday whimsy feel. And you can see here, you even have some great sentiments included on this set that can go along with the Whimsy edgers or that other Whimsy stamp set. I love this one, this guy flying in the sky. Now you can use these together or just this one alone. This little, look at him floating up there with this balloon. Love that. These little butterflies are so great. Here's this guy running along with his presents. Great for running along that edger. Can be like his little hill. And then check out the cats popping out of the presents. These are so fun to color, and they're just doing a little peekaboo with you there. Stay whimsical, the sentiment. Now, these I wanted to mention. If you have some of these are classic penny black stamps, fan favorites for sure. If you have some of these on wood block, please know that these have been resized from those original wood block and reimagined so that they can have the matching cutout dies to go with them. So that opens up so many more design possibilities with no fussy cutting. Also, look how many you get right here on a clear set. And it's really easy to store. I love that about getting these classic penny black critters in a great sizing on one clear set. And those cutout dies are available. You can see I just store mine in an envelope, so you can tell I made cards with these. Ran them through the die cutting machine. I just leave it like that and pop it in the envelope with my stamp set. So I will go ahead now and pull out the cards I made featuring this whole whimsy theme. So here's the first card. Get the lighting all right here. Hopefully you can see that okay. Love this little guy, like I said, running along the edger whimsy. Let's see if you can see that popped up a little bit. So fun to do this word in lots of really great colors. The stitching die kind of tucked back in there, standard size card. I really love using our chat bubbles with these sentiments too, like the critters are just saying those sentiments to your recipient. Really fun. And there you can see using the edger, the die cut sentiment with the stamp sentiment. Everything just works great for you. Here we have and the little cat. And you could stamp that flat, but I did use the cutout die so I could nestle it right in there with this word, die cut whimsy. Again, that is just such a great home for those little cats in their presence to sit. And I've just added a couple of flower die cuts and a little stamping in the background. This is a layout I do often where I have a little bit of color down here at the bottom and I can put anything, any kind of panel on top of it. And a birthday wrapped in whimsy is a perfect sentiment for those cute little cats. Here is that funny little hedgie floating up in the air. Never lose your sense of whimsy. It's part of your magic. I mean, what a fun way to send a birthday card. Just a unique way to do that. Oop. And I framed up the sentiment here and just created a very subtle little scene with some I just cut this little hill with my scissors from a piece of paper and inked it up and did a little bit of stamping in the background. So scenes do not have to be complicated to be whimsical and fun. Now this is a slimline card with our die cut. If you can see where it's cutting out those circles, it does it all in one cut. I love that. And then you can pop those guys in there like a little peekaboo. Here I layered up the sentiment, and so the die cut sentiment and also the stamped sentiment, and those little butterflies are in that clear set with the critters. So they're fun to add, pulling some color in. The small butterflies are in the clear set. These are from, the bigger ones are from our die cut set. Now, as with all of the other sentiments, if critters are your thing, these are wonderful, but they aren't made so cutesy that you can't use them with other types of stamps. So here you can see this Whimsy works really great with some bright, happy flowers, and you can use that edger to have the perfect place to tuck those flowers or die cuts and have your sentiment. And here I even stamped that kind of at an angle to go along with that edger die. These are also really nice if you like more simple or one layer cards. This is all one layer. So I've stamped these same flowers a couple of times at the bottom, used our stencil set to add some inking, and then stamped that sentiment on there. And then finally, here I've used it with our die cut flower. And another great reason why I love having the cutout dies for the sentiments, because this is an embossed background and I can add that sentiment, pop it up right on top. And I really actually love having that twine going underneath. So there's a look at all of the cards. Now let me pull out that free downloadable PDF and give you a peek at that and chat a little bit more. So here is a printed version of the free downloadable PDF that we have to go with this new collection of themed sentiments and stamps and die cuts. And this will, let me just see, it has all of the different word themes. So I'm going to go here to the Whimsy. And you can see we've got kind of ideas for sending occasions. And then each of the cards I just showed you are in here with a nice large photograph. So if you want to look at them for inspiration, you can just save this to your computer or you could print it out, whatever is the easiest way for you to pull it up. And then if you've seen in this video any card that you really love or you want to get the Penny Black products to make it, I've listed everything for you down here below, the stamps and the die cuts. So you can, if you go to our online store, and I'll try and link everything up for you, you can just put, this is a screenshot of the screen when you go to the online store. You can just put the number in there and search and pull up the products that were used on that card. Also visit our blog. We always try to list everything under the photos of the cards and link it so you don't have to search. If you don't want to, you can just click the links under the cards. One other thing I wanted to mention is that all of the focal point images on the cards that I shared with you today were painted with our Penny Black liquid watercolor inks. And you can see that, for example, the Whimsy theme, I tried to keep with a color scheme similar throughout all of the cards. And I've listed what colors I've used down here below and what colors were used for the critters. And if you have not painted our critters before, they're very easy to paint. We designed our watercolor inks so that you would have everything you need to paint critters, paint our Penny Black critters. So I have a video on how to do that. And so be sure to check that out. I'll try and link it for you below. Or if you get that downloadable PDF, which I will link to, I'll have a QR code that will take you right to that video as well. If you want to see this entire collection right now, all 5 sentiment themes and the critters and the stamps and dies that go with it and all the card ideas, you can download this PDF now. You can also shop for any of the 5 themes right now. They're all available right now. So I'll try and link everything up for you so you can find what you want, see it all, and shop. Thank you so much for joining me today for a little crafty chat, and sharing. And I will be back. We have 2 more sentiment themes and lots of cards to share in our next videos.